How's it going, YouTube? Whatty, welcome to Toga Kitchen. Colin just said hey. So this is a game where you cook food for people. Only reason I'm really making gameplay right now, it's 7:38. Okay, so I just need to put it out of gameplay because I haven't made a gameplay in so long.
I know who this is, Rumba.
Alright, let's do this. Freaking, what are we going to make for this piece of trash? What should we make? Wait, I want to see.
We should make some fruit juice.
What do you got? Oh, stuff like that and that. Okay. What are we going to cook? We're going to cook some
Make some fruit
steak.
juice. Wait, see if you can make juice. See if you can make juice.
Tomato. Boom. He likes it all. I'm a good chef. There's nowhere to put my face cam. You know what? I'm eating the food. It's gonna be good. Yeah, that's a juice maker. I knew that.
It makes yellow juice.
Stop. We have to add some lemon. Can't not let it be sour. Yeah, we're putting beautiful steak. Steak is done. Ooh, that's pink. That's disgusting looking. Gonna fry the chicken. Cause who don't like fried chicken? Wink on them. For real, if you don't like fried chicken, there's some hot sauce up on there. Cause you won't eat hot sauce on their stuff. And well, I'm getting ready to eat. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Let's cut it. Whoa. Boom. Cut up steak. That is amazing. How do you like it? None? None? Really? It's your opinion about my food? Just eat it all, you piece of trash. Disgusting. How do you think about my pear juice? How is it nasty?
Time for a disappearance.
Alright, I don't like this guy. He doesn't like my food, so I don't like him. Let's do this ugly lady with pink and blue all over her. Don't know what that's about, but yes, she lost all her teeth.
What she did?
Sad life. I'm gonna take some spaghetti. No, I don't want the spaghetti. Just eat it real quick. Let's make soup. Carrots for soup. She didn't like spaghetti. Probably because it was uncooked. We're gonna add tomatoes.
Onions. Mushies.
That's all, Calvin. That's all. Look at that. We're gonna go move onion. We're gonna cut the carrot because that's the only way to succeed in life is to cut carrots. And the tomato. Alright. All the tomatoes are in.
We're making a soup, guys. I'm gonna love it.
Carrots have to cook.
Look
at that pepper.
Yeah.
Stir it around. I'm gonna need a lot more pepper in soup. That's right. Could add a little bit of lemon. It should be good. It should be perfect. Ooh, that's good. It's pretty good. That's with that. She hasn't made a disgusting face. So let's try to see. Eat. How do you like it? Disgusting. She likes it though. Let's make a juice. Let's get some watermelon. We're gonna go slice it and dice it and slice it in half. Boom. That is disgusting.
Somebody got the brain.
Prepare some watermelon. There's seriously nowhere to put my face cam.
That's just messed up, bro.
Move, get out of here with your nasty stuff. Gotta add a lot more water. Gotta add a lemon. Perfect. Orange juice. Drink up. Does she like it? Sour. That's the way I like it. Let's make this. Get out. Lao. That's what people are saying these days. Some people say Lao, some people say LOL. We're just gonna cut it up to a lot of pieces. Get out of here!
Stop, man. I just want to show them some.
Stop being a weirdo. No, eat it. Next guy. Oh look, I'm the next guy. What? No, I'm just kidding. Glad to find what was in this game, though. Ew. Move! Move! Fruit salad, that's what I was thinking of.
Fruit salad.
Pear, orange, whatever that is.
Lettuce.
It's not a fruit. Is that the only fruits we have? Sad to know, sad to know. Boom. 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 Got that cut up. Stop acting like a creep. Instead of saying, whoa, has you ever seen fruits before? Orange.
Hold up, freak up. Why the heck would they do that?
Weird, I know. No, we're not going to use that. We're going to do this. Fried oranges. Going to get them all fried. Perfect. Got the last piece of pear. Stir it up in there.
Guys, the cat showing some.
No.
It's not nasty.
Too bad.
Look.
Good. It's hot. We have to have juice. We're gonna have watermelon juice, because who doesn't like watermelon? Let's go watermelon. Sorry you can't see some of the stuff. My face cam's in the way. Watermelon juice.
Now she better like this, man. I'm giving us.
Eat it all. Eat the beautiful. Eat it. Eat the beautiful soup.
I crashed in Boris's bed. Cook.
That's so disgusting. If you guys enjoyed this really quick video, if you liked it, hit the like. And if you're at all new to the channel, subscribe. Hit that notification. And I will see you in the next video.